Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to see how to download and install EasyResult software on a computer. We will complete this task step by step. So let's begin. First of all, open any internet browser and type in our website name. netbit.in and press enter. Now go to software and then EasyResult software menu. In the right hand side you can see few links. You need to click on the first link to start the download. So here I am clicking on that link. You can see that download has started. One zipped file of about 13 MB will be downloaded in few seconds. Great! Our download is now complete. Now we will unzip the file. First we have to go to the download folder, copy it, and paste on your desktop. Here our first step is complete. Now we are moving to the next step, unzipping the file. It is very simple. Just right click on that zip file and click extract all, and again click extract. You will see that a folder named with EasyResult has been created on the desktop. So our second step is also complete. Now we are going to run the exe file. That is our third step. In the third step we will try to run the exe file. Open the folder which was just created on the desktop. You will see that there are some other folders and one exe file that is called application. This is the main software. You can identify it with a blue globe icon, this one. So we are going to run it. So to run it we have to double click on that. Great, the software is running perfectly fine. It is not giving any error message. Let us try to log in into the software. Go to login and then admin login. Default password is admin. So type ADMIN in a small letter and click on login. Login successful. It means we have successfully installed the software on this computer. So our third step is also complete. Now we will talk about the fourth step, that is downloading .NET Framework 4. You may be wondering that what is .NET Framework? Actually it is the latest technology, or you can say platform on which most of the software are developed by Microsoft. This EasyResult software has also been developed on .NET Framework version 4. EasyResult software will run on your PC only when it has .NET Framework 4 installed. Otherwise, it will give some error message. There is no need to worry. If .NET Framework 4 is not installed in your computer, you can download it from the website of Microsoft and install it in your computer. To download .NET Framework 4, you please go to our website. Then go to Software and Easy Result Software. Here you can see one link, .NET Framework. To start the download, you have to click on that. So it will redirect you to the original website of Microsoft, from where you can download Microsoft .NET Framework 4. So this red button, if you click on that, it will start the download, and installation is very easy and simple. So this was about the fourth step. Our fourth step is also complete now. Now moving to the next step. In Easy Result Software, Microsoft Word and Excel have been integrated. Now we will check that whether Word and Excel functions are working or not. Before checking, you have to ensure that full version of MS Office version 2007 or 2010 is installed on your computer. So let's check the Word first. Log in into the software as administrator. Go to class 6 to 8 and click on Print Report Cards. You can select class 7A and click Connect. Why class 7A? Because some hypothetical data has been entered so that you can explore the software. So click the first record or the first student and then click on Periodic Test 1. You can see that one Word file was created. This is the report card of Periodic Test 1 of a student named Reena Chauhan. That means this software is perfectly working with Microsoft Word. Here our step 5 is also complete. Now the last step is checking the Excel function. This time go to class 6 to 8 and then click View Subject Wise Marks. Select the same class 7A and subject Hindi. Click Connect and then click on Export to Excel. When you click on that button, it should export all the data which are shown on the window to the Excel file. Yes, this function is also working perfectly fine. We can see that all the data showing on the window has been exported to Excel file. That means this software is able to print report cards on Microsoft Word, and also it is able to export data in Excel file. Friends, in this video we learned how to download Easy Result software, unzip it, run the exe file and checking Word and Excel functions. If you have any query or difficulty, you can contact us. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.